Hello, this is a little introduction video on looking at a website and the different components of a website. This one we're looking at is National Geographic Kids, and we're looking at desert tortoises. So here's a little picture of a desert tortoise. So I'm just going to go through a different list of different things that you should be looking for, observing, and just seeing how to get around on a website if you don't know already. So first I want to talk about the link. So the link will be found on the top bar. You can click it and you can copy it, or you can add something in or type something in there. So that's where you find the exact link on how to get to this specific website and article. As you can see, there's a menu bar, so you can see different areas to research around on the National Geographic Kids. There's a little, so after the link, there's, I want to talk to you about headings. So headings kind of what it will be all talking about. So what is this article specifically targeting? So if you look, we are in the animals section, so you can see this little animals, and we're looking at desert tortoises. So that would be our heading of the article because that's what they're talking about. And there's some pictures and some information. So that would be the main heading of this article, which will change if you had a different animal or something like that. And then this is the National Geographic Kids is the main resource to find those different animals. And there's a search bar right here, so you can search something within National Geographic Kids rather than going up to the top and searching in something that might take you just to Google rather than this one keeps you right in the page, so you could type in a bunch of different things. So, all right, and then I look around and I kind of see this is called what's called an advertisement. So they're trying to sell you something or get you to do something. So this is one that they want you to buy some little kids National Geographic magazines. And if we scroll down, we can see that again in the advertisement. It even explicitly says that. Let's see if there's any other advertisements that we see. Not on this one, but there is just the one about buying the magazines. So if we want to look at the main point on this article of the desert tortoises, we can look at the overview, the burrowing builders, the tortoise tussle, some names, family names, classifications, and the length of a tortoise. So that's some really valuable information to just get the main points of everything, so you're able to summarize what the article is trying to tell you and everything. So I also want to look to see if there's any like links within the text or outside of the text. So I can go to like subscribe. There's some up here. I can go to badges or go to find different animals. So that would be like links within the article. Is there any links within the text? So sometimes there'll be a text that's highlighted and you're able to click on it and that'll take you somewhere else or maybe to find a word that you don't know. Let's see if there's any. Not seeing any here, but here are some more links within the article, not necessarily within the text, but there are possibilities to have it within the text. Let me see if there's anything else that you might be able to use. Here is some more animals that you're able to look at, which would be the same thing as going to animals in either the search bar, the menu bar, or the search bar way up here, or you can click on the animals thing there. So that is the main points that I want you to understand within an article. There's also some pictures that you can look at, just get a little bit more information on that specific animal or the article that you're talking about. So when you're looking at the overview and the information that it's giving you, I want you to maybe break that down a little smaller, which is something you have done before in second grade. So if it gives you a few sentences about one topic, maybe just shortening that into maybe one sentence or a few words, that if you can make it so that I even understand based on just those few words. So what you're going to do this week is after you pick an article that have been selected on the Google form, you're going to choose one of these two websites, either Zebras or Sloths, and then I want you to click down here on the link once you have picked and looked at the website. And you'll just click on this and it'll bring you to a Google form. You have filled out Google Forms before, but just to get you guys reintroduced into it, make sure you put your first name and your last name, and here's some of the things that you need to fill out about your article so that I can see if you understand the parts of the article or if you still need some extra help with it. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. I'm here to help at any time, and I hope you have a great time working on this assignment and learning a little bit more about some specific animals.